to the world of the most luxurious and powerful vehicles on the planet, bringing you honest reviews, detailed specifications and insights into the latest automotive innovations. Today we are exploring something truly extraordinary, the 2025 Lamborghini Motorhome, a vehicle that redefines the meaning of luxury travel by combining the raw performance DNA of Lamborghini with the comfort and exclusivity of a high-end motorhome. The 2025 Lamborghini Motorhome is unlike anything you have seen before. At first glance, it captures attention with its futuristic aerodynamic design that clearly borrows from Lamborghini supercars. The sharp angles, the aggressive stance and the signature LED lighting create an unmistakable Lamborghini identity. Even though this is a full-size motorhome, the massive grille, carbon fiber details and sleek curves make it a rolling masterpiece that commands presence on highways and campgrounds alike. Underneath the bold design lies the heart of Lamborghini engineering. The motorhome is powered by a hybrid V12 engine system delivering an astonishing 950 horsepower. This power ensures that despite its large size, the Lamborghini motorhome can accelerate faster than many performance SUVs and maintain high cruising speeds with stability. The advanced all-wheel drive system paired with Lamborghini's latest suspension technology provides excellent handling, making long journeys not just comfortable but thrilling as well. With adaptive ride height, the motorhome adjusts itself depending on terrain, ensuring smooth rides on highways and capability on off-road adventures. Step inside and you are welcomed into a world of unmatched luxury. The interior of the 2025 Lamborghini Motorhome is a masterpiece of Italian craftsmanship. Every surface is wrapped in premium leather, Alcantara and carbon fiber accents. The cabin glows with customizable ambient lighting, giving it the feel of a five-star hotel suite on wheels. The living area is spacious with seating that can easily transform into lounging or dining arrangements. The Lamborghini signature design language is seen in the Y-shaped patterns across the seats and panels, reminding you of the brand's supercar roots. The motorhome is packed with advanced features that make travel effortless and enjoyable. A fully equipped kitchen fitted with state-of-the-art appliances including an induction cooktop, smart refrigerator and even a wine cooler ensures you can prepare gourmet meals wherever you go. The bedroom area comes with a king-size memory foam bed, panoramic sunroof and privacy controls for complete relaxation. The bathroom is another highlight, featuring rainfall shower, luxury fixtures and a smart mirror with integrated displays. Technology plays a huge role in the Lamborghini Motorhome. The cockpit is designed with a futuristic dashboard housing multiple digital displays, including a 15-inch central infotainment system powered by Lamborghini's proprietary software. Voice control, gesture recognition and seamless smartphone connectivity allow you to control almost every function without distraction. The vehicle also comes with a high level of autonomy, offering semi-autonomous driving modes, adaptive cruise control, lane assist and automated parking. For entertainment, this motorhome is second to none. It comes with a built-in 7.1 surround sound system developed in collaboration with premium audio brands, ensuring crystal clear sound whether you are enjoying music, movies or gaming. Large retractable OLED screens can transform the living space into a private theater. Satellite internet connectivity ensures you stay online wherever your journey takes you, making it ideal not only for vacations but also for those who work remotely. Another impressive feature is the eco-friendly technology built into the motorhome. Lamborghini has integrated solar panels seamlessly into the roof design, helping to power auxiliary systems and reduce dependency on traditional energy sources. The hybrid engine system also improves fuel efficiency while lowering emissions compared to conventional motorhomes. This combination of sustainability and performance makes the 2025 Lamborghini Motorhome a future-ready luxury vehicle. Storage and practicality are also taken into consideration. Despite its sleek looks, the motorhome offers generous cargo space with smart compartments for luggage, sports gear and other essentials. The hydraulic rear garage space is a standout feature, allowing owners to carry smaller vehicles such as a Lamborghini Huracan or even electric bikes, adding another layer of exclusivity and convenience. Safety has not been compromised either. The Lamborghini Motorhome comes with advanced driver assistance systems including collision avoidance, blind spot monitoring, emergency braking and a 360-degree camera system. These technologies work together to provide peace of mind while traveling across busy cities or remote highways. In conclusion, the 2025 Lamborghini Motorhome is not just a motorhome, it is a statement of wealth, power and taste. It combines Lamborghini's legendary performance heritage with the ultimate comfort and luxury that travelers expect from a high-end motorhome. Every detail, from its aggressive design to its high-tech interior, showcases innovation and exclusivity for those who dream of living life on the move without giving up luxury or performance. This motorhome is the perfect choice. Thank you for watching this review of the 2025 Lamborghini Motorhome on SA Car Review. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more in-depth reviews of the latest cars and motorhomes, make sure to hit the like button, share this video and subscribe. Updates, reviews and detailed insights about cars, motorhomes and the most exciting vehicles in the world. Today we are diving deep into the 2025 Volvo Motorhome, a vehicle that blends Scandinavian design, practicality, luxury and cutting-edge technology to create one of the most appealing motorhomes for families and adventurers alike. The 2025 Volvo Motorhome is built on the strong foundation of Volvo's reputation for safety, reliability and comfort. The exterior design carries a modern and aerodynamic look with clean lines, sleek LED lighting and a robust build that makes it stand out on the road. The overall design is not only stylish but also highly functional, with a focus on fuel efficiency and stability, which is important for a vehicle of this size. The large windows enhance natural lighting inside and provide panoramic views for passengers during long trips. Step inside and you are greeted by a spacious and luxurious interior. Volvo has designed this motorhome to feel like a true home on wheels. The cabin is crafted with premium materials, soft touch finishes and minimalist Scandinavian styling that emphasizes comfort and elegance. There is ample seating space with configurable layouts to suit different travel needs. The driver's cockpit is ergonomic, featuring a fully digital display and Volvo's advanced infotainment system that integrates navigation, voice controls and seamless smartphone connectivity. One of the standout features of the 2025 Volvo Motorhome is its focus on comfort for long journeys. The living area includes a convertible sofa set and a dining table that can easily transform into additional sleeping space. The motorhome offers a well-equipped kitchen with an induction cooktop, microwave, refrigerator and plenty of storage for supplies, making it easy to prepare meals while traveling. The bathroom is compact yet functional, featuring a modern shower, eco-friendly toilet system and thoughtful storage solutions. The sleeping arrangements are versatile, with options ranging from a fixed double bed to bunk beds and foldable designs to maximize space. Families will particularly appreciate the smart use of space, allowing everyone to enjoy privacy and relaxation during trips. High-quality mattresses and climate control ensure a restful night's sleep wherever your adventures take you. In terms of technology, the Volvo Motorhome comes equipped with advanced features to make life on the road easier and safer. The central control system allows you to monitor battery levels, water tanks, temperature and lighting with just a touch of a screen. Connectivity is a priority with 5G capability, Wi-Fi hotspot and multiple USB ports available throughout the vehicle, making it perfect for both leisure and remote work situations. Performance-wise, the 2025 Volvo Motorhome is powered by an efficient hybrid engine that combines power with eco-friendly credentials. This ensures strong performance on highways and challenging terrains while keeping fuel consumption in check. The suspension system has been fine-tuned for stability and comfort, reducing road vibrations and making long drives more enjoyable. Volvo's world-renowned safety systems are also integrated, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring and automatic emergency braking. Storage capacity is another strong point, with external compartments designed to carry luggage, sports equipment, camping gear and more. The motorhome's roof can also be fitted with solar panels to provide additional power for off-grid adventures. This makes it an ideal companion for travelers who want to explore remote destinations without worrying about energy supply. The 2025 Volvo Motorhome is not just about functionality, it also offers luxury touches that elevate the overall experience. Ambient lighting, customizable interior layouts and premium entertainment options such as a surround sound system and smart TV make it feel like a high-end lounge on wheels. The seamless blend of comfort and practicality makes it suitable for both short weekend trips and extended cross-country adventures. Volvo has also placed a strong emphasis on sustainability with the use of eco-friendly materials inside the cabin and the hybrid powertrain that reduces emissions. This aligns with Volvo's vision of a greener future without compromising performance or comfort. Overall, the 2025 Volvo Motorhome is a complete package offering safety, technology, comfort and Scandinavian design philosophy in one vehicle. It is built for families, adventurers and anyone who wants the freedom to travel with the comforts of home. Whether you are heading to the mountains, the beach or across the country, this motorhome is designed to deliver a smooth, safe and enjoyable journey. That wraps up our detailed look at the 2025 Volvo Motorhome. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more updates on the latest cars, motorhomes and other exciting vehicles, make sure to subscribe to SA Car Review for more in-depth content and stay tuned for upcoming reviews.